Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. So this mobile is coming with a 6.67 inches of dynamic Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh display, and it also supports HDR10 content. Absolutely, this was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile is coming with a MediaTek Dimensity 920, which is a 6nm based 5G octa-core gaming processor, a mid-level gaming processor. When we talk about the 5G bands, this mobile is coming with the 9 5G bands. And this mobile is also available in 3 different variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256 and 6GB RAM 128 internal storage variants with no expandable memory. When we talk about the cameras, there is nothing much about the cameras. It comes with a 108 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 80 megapixels of ultra wide and 2 megapixels of macro and telephoto combined camera, which is worthless. And when we talk about the front facing, it comes with a 16 megapixels of punch hole selfie camera. The biggest thing about this mobile is this mobile's battery. Yes, it's coming with a 4500 milliamp hours of big battery, and it supports 120 watts of fast wide charge. Yes, and this mobile is also coming with the charger, 120 watt charger and cable, and also a earphone included in the box with this mobile. So this is a big thumbs up to the MI. And this mobile is also comes with a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 features, and this mobile also comes with a stereo speakers and 3.5mm jack also. Even though this mobile is having a AMOLED display, the MI keeps giving the side mounted fingerprint scanner. Yes, this mobile also comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner instead of in display. Cross cuttings, budget matters. And this mobile also comes with the plastic back and plastic frame and glass front. So this is about the body of this mobile. And when we talk about the other features, this mobile comes with a Android version 12 out of the box with MIUI 12 latest version. So these are the features of this mobile. When we talk about the availability, this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. By the way, this mobile comes with a price range of starts from 21,099 rupees, almost 22,000 rupees. So if you want to buy that mobile, go to the description, click the expand button and hit the like button, and after that buy that mobile by the link. And that's it for the video basically, and subscribe to the channel.